Okay, yeah, we will continue the linear regression, the multiple regression, okay? Yeah, I think I need to repeat this part, okay? Here, firstly, after we draw the scatter plots of price, space, and sales, then we can judge the relationship between these three variables. And through our scatters, we can see that the price, sales, space, sales, they have the linear relationship. Then, since they have the linear relationship, then next we calculate the Pearson correlation coefficient of price, space, and sales, right? And then through the results, it shows that the price and sales, the space and sales, the coefficient, the correlation coefficient are all significant, very significant, right? Then it means that we can establish a linear regression. The dependent variable is sales. The independent variable is price, space, which means Y is sales, X1 price, X2 space. Okay, then here we'll step into step 3, using regression analysis. We want to establish a model, X1 price, X2 space, to predict sales, but we are not sure if we can use both price and space. Firstly, we establish a full model. Okay, we establish a full model. This is a full model. In this model, price and space are all in the model. Okay, so after the results, we will explain them. Firstly, look at the model summary. From the model summary shows if the model is accurate or not. So here we can see that the R square is 0.850. 850 is close to 1, right? So the accuracy of this model is high. Okay, and next is we look at the Anova. The Anova is to test if the model you established is significant. And from the result of Anova, the F value is 34.081, and the significance is this one. The significance is less than 0.001. Hence, the regression model is significant. The regression model is significant means in this model, the coefficient of X1 or X2 will not be 0. So at least one coefficient of the variables in the model is not equal to 0. Okay, so that means the regression model is significant. Okay. Next, we will check if all the coefficients in the model are significant or not. And here is the result. It shows the price, the variable price. The t-value is 3.219. The corresponding significance is 0.07. So it means the coefficient of price is significant. It also means price has significant impact on sales. Next, look at space. The space, the t-value is 0.022, and the corresponding significance is 0.983, which means the coefficient of space is not significant. Okay, it also shows the space has no significant impact on cells. Through here, and standardized coefficient, through here you can establish a regression model. Yes, the y, the dependent variable is cells, so cells equal to 2.029 add 9.5 multiply price add 0.057 multiply space. This is the regression model. But since the space, the coefficient is not significant, so it's not quite reasonable that we use space and price to predict cells, right? Because this coefficient is not significant. So this is not the best predictor. You need to establish a new model. Okay, so here now we will use the stepwise method to establish a new model. Okay, then here the method, please choose stepwise. Okay, and then here we have the results. The model through here, the R square is still 0.850. So the accuracy of the model is high. Okay, the accuracy of model is high. Next, 1 Anova. Yeah, from the Anova, F value is 33.84. The significance is less than 0.001. Hence, the regression model is significant. Okay, and then is the test of the coefficients. Through here, you can see that in this regression model, just the price is left. Space is excluded. Okay, yeah, so we can say that the space is excluded in the new model. Absolutely, the space has no significant impact on cells. While the t-value of price, is 8.593. The corresponding significance is less than 0.001. So that means the coefficient of price is significant. The price has very significant impact on cells. Also, we can write a new model, a new regression model, which is cells equal to 1.977 at 10.566 multiply price. Okay, so here is a new predictor. Cells is 1.977 at 10.566 multiply price. Here it's cancelled. Okay, so this is the new regression model. In the new regression model, we just has one variable, price, and this is the significant price variable. Okay. Since in this model, all the coefficient of the variable is significant, so this is the best model. So since the coefficient of moderate is significant, so this is the best predictor of sales. Okay, so here is the answer for this question. Which is the best predictor of sales of t-shirt? Yeah, we need to cancel the variable whose coefficient is not significant. Got it? Okay? Yeah. So that's all for today's class. Yeah, what's our assignment for today? The assignment for today, first practice 1 and practice 2. Then next is practice 2. Yeah. Hope all of you can have these two practice and send me your answers for practice 1, practice 2 before next class. Okay? Thank you for today's lecture.